Again, I'm going to be going over a specific notarization acts with you too throughout this. Copy certification, credible witness. What is credible witness? How do you use it? When do you use it? We're going to go over all these types of things in the Build Your Business coaching program, okay? And so, yes, that was one of the questions. Do I wait till next Friday to start watching the videos? No. You can start right now. You can start wherever you want to. There's no certain order. Now, I prefer you start with Notarize Like a Pro, just because I want you to learn your basic notarial duties. But you don't have to. You have access to it unlimited, so you can do it however you want to. And then when we get together, that's when we're going to be going over weekly, whatever you want to talk about. The first part of the sessions every week will be some form of training, because I'm out here developing real notaries, okay? I want you to really learn this business. This is no fluff. It ain't no hype. It ain't, it's none of that. This is straight up. If you're ready to learn the business, that's why I titled it. Do you really want to learn, or do you just want to, just kind of want to hang out? If you really want to learn the business, that's what I'm doing with this program. I've never offered it before. For years, people have been begging, hey, Kimmi, I need mentorship. I need mentorship. I knew what they meant when they said mentorship. I wasn't the person to help you, to just kind of dangle you along with just kind of fake mentorship. So whenever I rolled my program out, it had to be tight. It had to be ready. And I was like, what can I do where the people can learn and at the same time have access to me to help them to kind of get the edges smoothed out, right? And that came with giving them complete access to the courses, the $39.99. They can self-teach, and you can help guide them along the way. And that's what I'm going to be doing for you, okay? Another question was, how long is the program? The coaching program is as long as you want it to be. I'm not going anywhere. For now, it's going to be weekly trainings. I really want to make sure we can get people up and moving and going. And that's not going to be 1 month. Somebody said, well, I'll just pay $39.99 to watch all the courses. You can do that. I'm not over control of what you watch, when you watch it. I'm not the gatekeeper. Once I made the promise and the offer, it is what it is. So, but that's not my prayer for you. My hope for you is that we're going to actually build your business out. We're going to help you to get to the bag, get to the money, as they say, right? And that comes with knowledge. So if you want to try to do a shortcut, something sneaky, creepy, whatever, I don't have any control over that. I'm not here for that. I'm here to actually help you grow. I've been on YouTube now for 3 years. My message has never changed. I'm very consistent. So if you're really ready to go next level and learn the notary business for only $39.99 per month with weekly trainings, you're not going to get that anywhere, and not without all the fluff. Again, I don't believe in fluff. We're going to learn this business, learn it and grow it. Okay. Let me get a couple of questions, and I'm going to come back to what I had from the previous times I went live about the training. Dark Room Media says, happy Saturday. Hey, welcome, Dark Room. Dana says, hey, Queen, I do loan signings, but as you know, that has slowed down. I need other things to do with my notary help. Yes, Dana. And that's what we're talking about now. With this new coaching program, I'm going to be going over how to get into the nursing homes, how to notarize those documents, how to speak like an expert. You can watch the trainings already pre-recorded about ink fingerprinting, how to complete the I-9 translation services. I have a job right now. As soon as I get off of here, I'm going to go live on my other channel, and then I'm going to do a translation. And the translation is a German divorce decree. They need it translated from German to English. I don't speak German, but guess who's about to do the facilitation of the translation? Your girl. So I teach you that in the translation course. So you have access to all these courses, $39.99. You get a little training here, and then you come to me during our sessions, and this is where we're going to add some clarity to it, or you can drop it in the community chat. Okay. So another question I have about the new arrangement or the new coaching program is, do I have to watch the trainings in a certain order? Do I have to watch them in a certain order? You do not have to watch the trainings in a certain order. I just said that earlier. You can start wherever you want to, and I will be sending out what I recommend you do. I've already kind of put them on the playlist the way I recommend you watch it, Starting with Notarize Like a Pro, then specialty, pricing, and et cetera, right? But I'm going to actually send out something in an email shortly with the upcoming schedule. I'm going to go ahead and release the link so you can start joining the GroupMe chat. And I'm just really excited about this. I am. And again, anything I put my name on it, it's going to be right. So it took me 3 years to offer some kind of coaching program. And again, I didn't know what it looked like. I was quite frankly afraid. I'm like, am I going to be able to help the people really deliver? I knew I was helping with my information. I had no doubt. If you read the reviews are amazing. They just are on all my courses. So you can read them. I think one of them might have a 4-star, maybe one, but they're 5-star courses. They really are. And you can read the reviews. I mean, what they say, the proof is in the receipts. The proof is in the pudding. So I'm just excited to announce it the way that I am and to roll out the coaching program the way that we're doing it. Because I just really didn't know. Like I said, I've been doing this YouTube social media thing for like 3 years, over 3 now. And people will always ask me, hey, I need mentorship. I need this, I need that. And I just didn't know how to execute it. And it wasn't that I hadn't seen other people offer mentorship programs and all this and all that. But again, I don't do anything with fluff. I just don't. I don't have time to lay in the bed at night figuring, how can I get the people? How can I? No, when I bring it, it need to be right. When I finish my mentorship program with you or my coaching program, I need to be able to lay in the bed at night and sleep and not say, oh, are they going to be? No, I have no doubt. 5-star review. That's what I do. That's what I do in my personal business as a notary. That's what I do here on my YouTube channel. That's what I do with Notary Educators. We all deliver 5-star service. Okay. We are Chick-fil-A, but in the notary space. Okay. I went there for breakfast this morning. All right. Let me get back to my question here and I'm going to come back to the comments. Okay. So I had another question. So do I need to wait until next Friday to sign up? Is another question. Some people have said, well, I'll just wait till next Friday and sign up. You don't have to wait till next Friday. You can start watching the courses right now. As I mentioned before, you just pay the money and you start having access to everything. Now, after this live and my other one, I am going to, by this afternoon, have the chat out and available so you guys can start introducing yourselves. I will put a chat in there, say welcome. Any questions you have, if you're starting to watch the videos, you can start using the chat and we're going to start using it and getting accustomed to it. Okay. So that was one of my questions. Another question I had from just the last few days, because I will be going live probably every day just so I can make sure the word gets out, because YouTube just frankly doesn't show my videos to everybody. I have 20,000 people here almost on the channel and they may alert 20 people. So unfortunately, I have to do a little bit more to make sure the word gets out and people know about the training and the opportunity for the coaching and the courses and everything for just $39.99 per month. I have to do the work. So it's okay. That's what I do. So another question was, do I have to watch the courses in order to benefit from the coaching program? No, you don't. The coaching is the coaching. I've just included access, unlimited access to my courses. So if you just want to come strictly for coaching, you can. Okay. And I may need to try to word that in such a way so people know that. But most of the people I deal with or I encounter are brand new. So they don't know how to start their business. So that's another reason why I wanted to include access to the courses. I felt it was a disjustice for me to give you access to me, and I know you don't know the business. That makes zero sense. And that makes my job harder, actually. It's easier for me to give you access to the courses and then you learn something about the business. And now we're going to tweak it on the back end. You see what I mean? But I could have just said, hey, $39.99, you can talk to me all day or whatever. You can join it. No, I told you when I roll out something, it's got to be right. So I said, I'll give you access to the courses, unlimited. And then we'll come on the back end and clean it up from what you're learning, make the connection to how to use it out in the streets. And that's another thing I didn't get a chance to talk about really quick. So to answer that question, though, you can have coaching without watching the videos. That is not a requirement. It's just a bonus. Okay. It's just a bonus to be able to have access to the courses for $39.99. Because typically one course is about $55, $67. And some people have decided, you know what? I don't want any of that. I just want the course. So you can still buy the courses at your leisure. Those options are still there. Whatever you decide to do, I want to be a part of your notary journey.